Students, now we will solve exercise रिक्तस्थानं पूरयत प्रयोगपरिचयं च लिखत. In these sentences, first we will see whether the sentence is kartruvachyam or karmavachyam, and then we will fill up appropriate form of the word given in the bracket. First sentence is dash nrutyam kriyate. By looking at kriyate, we can understand that this is karmavachyam. Okay. In karmavachyam, subject is in tritiya vibhakti. So, we will take tritiya vibhakti of apsaras. Tritiya vibhakti of apsaras will be apsarasa. Now, next sentence. Next sentence is Suvarna dash ganayati. In bracket, Pushpa is given. Okay. Now, this sentence is Kartruvachyam because Suvarna is Pratham Purush Ekvachanam and the verb ganayati is according to the subject. T suffix is there. This suffix is of Pratham Purush Ekvachanam. So, this is Kartruvachyam. Now, we have to fill up object. In the bracket, Pushpa is given. What will be the answer? The answer will be Pushpani. Dvitiya vibhakti bahuvachanam. Third sentence is Bhaktaha Ishwaram dash. Bhaktaha Pratham Purush bahuvachanam. Ishwaram is Dvitiya vibhakti ekvachanam. This is Kartruvachyam sentence. This is Kartruvachya sentence. So, Bhaktaha are many in number, that's why we will select Pujayanti. Next sentence is dash chitrapataha drishyate. This is Karmavachyam. We can understand this by looking at the verb drishyate. Okay. And this drishyate is according to chitrapataha. Chitrapataha drishyate. Now, in Karmavachyam, the subject is in Tritiya Vibhakti Ekvachanam. In bracket, Asmad is given. Asmat Sarvanam. Tritiya Vibhakti Ekvachanam of Asmat Sarvanam is Maya. If one person is seeing a movie, if I am going to see a movie, I will use Maya Chitrapataha Drishyate. If my friends are going with me, then I will say Asmabhihi Chitrapataha Drishyate. Okay. Asmabhihi is Tritiya Vibhakti Bahuvachanam, but this is passive construction. In passive construction, the verb is according to the object. That's why it is Drishyate. Next sentence is Balakaha Falani dash. Here Balakaha are Pratham Purush Bahuvachanam. Then Falani is Dvitiya Vibhakti Bahuvachanam. This is Kartruvachyam. And the answer will be Labhante. Balakaha Falani Labhante. Because this is Kartruvachyam and the verb is according to Karta. Now, next sentence is dash Vande Mataram. In the bracket, Asmad is given. This is Kartruvachyam. Vande is Uttam Purush Ekvachanam and this sentence is Kartruvachyam. Mataram is Dvitiya Vibhakti Ekvachanam of Matru Shabda. So, subject or Karta will be Uttam Purush Ekvachanam because the verb is Uttam Purush Ekvachanam. So, Karta will be according to that. Karta will be Uttam Purush Ekvachanam of Asmat Sarvanam. That will be Aham and the answer will be Aham Vande Mataram. Thank you.